New for 2021, McElmeel Mobility Services introduced the Ford Family Explorer. Building upon the original, often imitated but never bettered, wheelchair-accessible Ford Teneo Custom, and adding WAV supporting adaptations to allow it to be driven as an unassisted WAV. Available privately or through the Mobility scheme, this revolutionary lowered floor conversion has been designed around the needs of the wheelchair user. The automatic tailgate has independent open and close buttons on the fob to allow you to have complete control over the process, with a double secure system to give it tight seal. The auto ramp, with a best-in-class angle of under 11 degrees, utilises our groundbreaking cam lock system to give you a tightly secured ramp for a quiet travelling experience, and also independent open and close functions for maximum control. The new and improved Super Grip gives you the added confidence you want when travelling independently, and when stowed, the 168cm ramp folds in two and locks in place with clear view out your back window. For safety and practicality, we have installed wheelchair transit tie-down points, separate from your standard rear tie-downs, to keep you safe from unsecured loads in the event of an accident. A highly spec car available as titanium automatic as standard, you have one front seat and one rear seat to facilitate the six-way seat. This leaves a generous wheelchair space in the centre of the vehicle, designed to provide for even the widest or tallest of wheelchairs, maximising your transfer. For customers who need extra passenger spaces, you have the option of adding a tip and fold seat in the rear. Bluetooth, front and rear parking sensors, 8-inch touchscreen with DAB and app link with iPod functionality, multiple USB ports, heated front seats, rear aircon, and Ford Pass Connect come as standard. Other options include leather seats and roof rack compatibility. As a 71st birthday present from the longest established converter and adapter of WAVs in the UK and Ireland, and possibly the world, we are also installing a rear version camera. Using the platform of the Ford family, you have a class-leading 153cm entrance height at the rear door and a lowered floor width of 82cm. The flat floor has been lowered an amazing 16cm at the transfer position to give you an outstanding 149cm head height, raising to 153cm if you are positioning the wheelchair in the third row. The rear seats are the new luxury moulded edition comfort with the OEM matching trim. The carpeted floor gives added grip and an eye-catching finish to complement the stylish Ford interior, and the easy-to-use 3-point seat belt system clicks into an easy-to-reach stock in case you are using the wheelchair position. The Ford Family Explorer is also suitable for scooters, as you can put the largest scooters into the rear with these. Quicker and easier than using a hoist, the Explorer makes every journey easier and more enjoyable. The Ford Family Explorer has full European type approval and carries PAS accreditation, making it available on the Mobility scheme. McElmeel Mobility Services are the first WAV converter in Europe to hold QBM accreditation from Ford, and as members of WAVCA and in cooperation with the VCA, our vehicles have been tested rigorously to ensure the safety and comfort of wheelchair passengers. McElmeel Mobility Services pride ourselves in our class-leading customer service and a reputation for innovative passenger-centred vehicles. With a dedicated after-sales team and a UK-wide backup service, you have the peace of mind with McElmeel Mobility Services that your needs will be met and your well-being is in safe hands. If you would like to find out more about this or any other wheelchair accessible vehicle, or request a UK and Ireland-wide home demonstration, please visit us at www.mobility-services.com or contact us on 02837 525 333. Thank you.